Olympic weightlifting athlete CJ Cummings snatched 341 pounds. CJ Cummings then clean and jerked 414 pounds. What is the total amount of weight that CJ Cummings lifted? Alright, so the first step in this word problem is to line up the numbers and make sure the larger number is on top. So 414 is the larger number, so we're going to type that in. We do not know if we're adding or subtracting yet, but we know we are doing something with these two numbers. We know that we're doing something with the numbers 341 and 414. The reason I say make sure the larger number's on top is just in case we have to subtract. We might have to subtract. So step number 2 is to determine the operation, determine if we need to add or subtract. So we got to look for what the problem is asking us to do, and we got to look at the key vocabulary words here. So the question is, what is the total amount of weight that CJ Cummings lifted? Now, whenever they're asking for a total, or whenever the problem is asking us to find a total, how much we have altogether, what is the total amount of something, whenever it's asking us to combine two different numbers and find the total, that we are working with addition. Addition is where we find the total, and subtraction is where we would subtract one number from the other. So this is an addition problem right here. So the final step is to regroup if needed and then solve. So then add the numbers up. So looking at the ones place, we have 4 plus 1. So we do not need to regroup there. Remember, we regroup when the sum in either the ones, tens, or hundreds place is 10 or more. So in the ones place, 4 plus 1, we don't need to regroup there. 1 plus 4, again, we're not going to need to regroup there. 4 plus 3, yeah, we're not going to need to regroup for this problem. So we can just add the numbers here. So in the ones place now, 4 plus 1 equals 5. 1 plus 4, again, equals 5. And 4 plus 3 equals 7. And our answer is 755. CJ Cummings lifted a total of 755 pounds.